In this episode, the crew unboxes a popular smart thermostat and highlights its slim chassis, crisp touchscreen, and practical backplate. They carefully peel back the packaging, explain the common internal layers and safety features, and point out how the design aims to protect delicate electronics while staying visually sleek. The first test drops the unit from a tabletop height onto a hardwood surface to gauge impact resistance, while a thermal camera captures heat signatures during a rapid power cycle. Next comes a dust and moisture seal check with a high humidity chamber, pushing the seal's limits. Finally, a relentless power cycling Gauntlet tests everyday longevity and the clockwork resilience of its components, leaving viewers with surprising insights into what truly endures under stress.